Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2004 Big Dog K9 that I want to show you. Beautiful chopper, deep burgundy color. Kind of some mild tribal type pinstriping on it. Nice metallic paint, polished front end, steel braided lines. This is a nice bike. The K9 is a rigid hardtail bike, belt drive. It's got the 107 motor in it, S&S motor, with a 6-speed transmission. Excellent tire on the back. I think that's a 240. I'm not real sure. I'll see if I can see the size on it somewhere. No, I don't see it, so. But I think that's what it is. You call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about this bike. Got a couple little, looks like just little rubs and chips right there on the edge of that rear fender. And it's got a few little signs of wear. It's got a little over 10,000 miles on it, so you're going to see a little rub or something occasionally on it. But I'll try to pan slow so you can see that it really does look nice. Color matched frame. Bird stabber intake, S&S carburetor. Pretty good. I didn't see anything as far as like dents and scratches and stuff like that that stick out and make me want to show it to you. I just really can't hardly find anything except what I showed you. A little rub on the front fender and the back fender there. But you know, like right here, I just found just a couple of tiny little spots, but it is an 04 with 10,000 something miles on it. We'll look at that in a minute. All steel braided lines down in here, brake lines, super trap mufflers, leather seat, some pretty nice stitching, little engraving there, a couple of 6 guns and a skull, says Unforgiven. I noticed it had we put you a battery tender lead on it here, but I noticed it had a little switch over here. Let's see if I can get put the key in there. I noticed right here this little switch, you turn that little switch on, it's got those little lights up there. Maybe you can see little red lights. I don't know where all they are, but it's hard to see them out here in the sun. Fire this baby off and let you give it a listen. It's got 10,000, that's a trip meter there. 10,400 and looks like either 6 or 8 miles. Thing pops off just immediately. This there hits nice and hard. Nice little lope to it. You see our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. We ran this chopper through our shop and did service and checkup on it and inspected it. It's in fine shape. It's ready to ride. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.